throw you a googly. What determines the rating of an Indian feast? Yes, it's how good the pan was. Good morning, my green gang. Pan or the betel is a wine native to India and belonging to the pepper family. It is an evergreen perennial with glossy, heart-shaped leaves. You should see my post on black pepper to compare the very similar leaves. Growing betel leaf is not difficult, but you should be aware of its needs. It is extremely difficult to come across betel leaf seeds. There are two ways to plant betel leaf. Either you purchase the plant from a local nursery or propagate it from cutting. We tried to propagate it in Delhi, but the weather makes it tough to survive, leave alone propagate. So we thought it better to get them from friends in South and Central India. The plant thrives in tropical and subtropical regions, but can even be grown in cool climates if given extra care. It prefers rich, well-drained soil with partial shade. Keep the soil moist but avoid waterlogging. There are many types of betel leaf such as Calcutta, Meghai, etc. It is famous for its use as the Indian dessert pan. While many look at it as pan consumed after a good meal or just as a habit, it also has a significant place during religious rituals in India. Betel leaves come with several curative health benefits as they are loaded with vitamins like vitamin C, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, carotene, and are a great source of calcium. It eases constipation, improves digestion, reduces respiratory issues, and has many other health benefits as well. At large, it is a happy plant to flourish in your garden. Please follow, like, and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.